Okay, this is a ARGUS camera. You can see the conditions of the front, the side, the other side, the bottom, and the top. So let me give you a close-up of the lens. The focusing is a bit tight. Maybe it needs oiling or what. You can still turn, but it's a little bit tight. The shutter works. Let me open the behind. The latchet for the behind, you need to be careful a bit because it can be loose, but maybe you need to look into it, like how you can make it tighter, I guess, because it doesn't like fully lock in. So if I push it and it open, yeah, so it fires. So let's try out the speeds. So 10, 1 over 10. Okay. One over 20. 1 over 30. Okay. 1 over 50. Now it's 1 over 100. 1 over 200. And 1 over 300. Alright. So it works. Yeah. Just that this one need to be careful of it. Need to have a look, like how come it doesn't like lock it. Maybe it's a bit bent, is it? I'm not sure. But yeah. Well, yep. Thanks.